Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you are watching for the first time, please subscribe my channel. Now I am going to explain inter-stock transport order. It is also two types. One is with single step procedure and another one is two-step procedure. Now I am going to teach two-step procedure. Intra-STO means stock transfer between two plants with cross company code. Means, for example, take two companies from one client. One company name is ESCZ and another company name is MSCZ. Under ESCZ, SCZ1 plant is there. Under MSCZ company, MEZ1 plant, we are transferring material from this plant to SCZ1 to MEZ1 plant. Now, coming to procedure, this left hand side will configuration you have to do for ESCZ company. This right hand side box you have to do for MSCZ company. Now I will do one by one step. First we are doing this step. The first step is create customer master, which means XD01 to represent receiving plant MEZ1 in supplying company. Means we have to create a customer in ESCZ company. I will show. I'm going to do in XD01 to represent receiving plant. Okay, where we have to do supplying company ESCZ. Okay. ESCZ. ESCZ. My organization is MTVZ. Distribution channel 01 00. The customer. So MTVZ only. Company from sales for just go for basic details. Then go to here sales area data. Then go to shipping tab. These step and shipping conditions and delivering pay. These three steps are very important. You have to maintain here. Delivery priority 01. Shipping conditions 01. Here, just a minute. You have to represent receiving plant, which means where we are at which place materials are receiving MEZ1. So we are doing receiving plant. Yes. MEZ1. My receiving plant, right? Yes. Just say, note down the customer number. 80026 is my customer number. I will write here. 80026 is my customer number. Next step is this one. Customize things at company to create vendor master to represent supplying plant SCZ1 in receiving company. So in receiving company, we have to do vendor master record. Here in supplying company, we have to do customer ID. In receiving company, we have to do vendor master record. Now I am doing XK01 receiving company MSCZ MEZP group KRED title some company enterprises such some yeah. Just I am entering base details. These all things we already know. Payment terms, terms, okay. Today we have to enter our supplying bank. Just go to extras, add purchasing data. Here we have to assign supplying plan SCZ1 and just save. Now save the vendor master. Note down the vendor 100730. One double zero 730 is and okay. This step is completed. This step is complete. Now coming to material creation. Now I am creating material. MM01. Material we are creating in supplying plan. We must have sales view. Don't forget it. We must have sales view for that material. I am taking semi-finished product. In supplying plan, we must have sales view, sales data. Now just holding and is SCZ1, total of empty visual. Zero one enter. Just interestivo yeah 0001 just item category group or now this is very important step. If we miss this step, system won't generate a delivery document. If this step and this step and this step is very important in inter transport stock transport order. If we didn't enter any value here, system won't generate delivery document. So availability check transportation group 0001 0001. Now purchasing group SZ1. valuation pair 7900. Enter some moving price. Okay. System creates a material. Now we are extending the same material in receiving plant. In receiving plant, we don't need to create sales. It is optional. We are doing with purchasing. Here is enough. Now I am extending material in receiving plant. Image Z1. Z1. Okay. Material extension also completed. Now we are saving the material. Now this step is also completed. This one also already we are extended. Now coming to here. Define shipping data for plant F1 means just go to transaction OLME means purchasing. View in material management. Just go for purchase order. Set up stock transport order. Define shipping data for plant. Go to supplying plant. Supplying plant is SCZ1. Just click here. Here we have to assign our sales organization views. I already assigned. This is my sales organization. Now go to receiving plant. ME-Z1. We have to assign a customer data here, which we created. The customer is 800026. 800026 is the customer we created. Just save it. Okay. After that, assign delivery type and checking rule. Okay. Just go back, and go to this tab. Now document type is NB. Supplying plant is SCZ1. You have to enter here NLCC for inter stock transfer order. You must remember NL for intra, NLCC for inter stock transfer order, and checking rule B. Just save it. Now go back, and after that this step assign document type. You want to do whether one step or two steps. We have to decide. Here we have to assign supplying plant and ME-Z1 and receiving plant. We have to assign a document type which we are using. NB is my document type. Now if I want to do in single step, I have to tick here. I don't want to do in single step, so I am unticking this one and just save. Now just go back and create purchase order ME21N. Enter. Go to header data. What is the vendor we created? 100730. 100730. Now we are doing purchase order in receiving plant. So ME-Z3 is my purchase organization in receiving plant. ME-Z3. Purchase group is SZ1 only. MS is my company. What is the material? Here we save it. Just enter some 1000 quantity or else 10,000 quantity. Enter some price. ME-Z1. Store location is S1. Just enter. Currency INR. Okay. Okay. Just change delivery date from 26. Okay. We enter delivery date also. Now I am saving purchase order. Just save this PO for further reference. Now just to go for outbound delivery, which is VL10D is the transaction code. We have to enter our shipping point. My shipping point is 1000. Before you are doing this step or outbound delivery, once you have to check your stock here, whether stock is available or not. The stock is not there in SCZ1, so we are adding some stock here. I go. Go to goods issue. 561. Material. SCZ1 is the sender. This one is the storage location. But it just push. MMB is the transaction process. Check the stock. 50,000 is available in SCZ1. Now I am opening new screen. Now we generate delivery document. PL10D, the transaction code. My shipping point is 1000. Where we find our shipping point is, once I will open this ME23N. Your shipping point is 1000. Your purchase order number is 7500. This one, and shipping point is in 1000. Just minimize, and I am entering just a shipping point. Just enter here. Automatically system trigger my purchase order. Just click this one and go for background. Now just go back. Now you go back and come to purchase order. The outbound delivery document is generated. Go to purchase order history. Document is generated. Now just minimize. Now we are doing goods issue VL0 to N. For how much stock we is doing? 10,000, right? 10,000 stock. You have to enter fixed quantity, fixed quantity. From where we picked SCZ1 plant, storage location F1. Just do post goods issue. We have done with goods issue. Now, once to observe PO, okay, MA23N. See, 643 movement type is under goods is issued. Now, if we do MyGo, goods receipt against purchase order, then 101 movement type will trigger. Our purchase order number is this one. already I can just check it. Post. Now just go to observer the stock. Then we need 10,000 here on this. You just refresh the data. See 10,000 from order stock come to this plan. So what my suggestion is, if you do these steps, these 3 steps carefully, you will definitely complete your stock transport order. If we miss any one of these logic, system won't generate delivery document. So all during my practice time, I always fail to do at least I practice this 30 to 40 times. I failed because I won't enter this one availability check in sales view. This is my mistake. I have done on the time. So please ensure you have to enter all the details. Thanks for watching my videos. And my next video is interstock transport order with delivery and billing. No, next video is I will do interstock transport order in single step 645. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you guys.